I'ma heal you. Niggas coming at you with Supersonic speed, JJ Pass. Some of them are you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I'm made of rubber, so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me. And it's cool, you never say more than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading, and I know the haters are forever waiting for the day they can say it, but up to celebrating. I know the way to get it motivated. I make elevating music. You make.
We probably complete out one life. My side. My side.
The cell wall is a rigid outer layer found in the plant cells, bacteria, fungi, and algae. It provides support, protection, and shape to the cell. Think of it as a cell's protective armor.
The cell membrane is the outer boundary of the cell that separates the inside of the cell from its environment. It's like a gatekeeper controlling what enters and exits the cell.
The cytoplasm is a gel-like substance inside a cell, between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It contains all the cell's organelles and is where many chemical reactions take place. Think of it as a cell's internal environment.
Plasmodesmata are like tiny tunnels that connect plant cells, allowing them to communicate and share resources. Think of them as the plant version of social media, keeping everyone connected.
A chloroplast is an organelle found in plant cells and algae that conduct photosynthesis. It contains chlorophyll, which captures sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, sugar, and oxygen. Think of it as the plant cell's solar panel.
Peroxisomes are small organelles in cells that breaks down toxic substances like hydrogen peroxide. They're like the cell cleanup crew, keeping everything tidy and safe.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes and is involved in lipid synthesis, detoxification, and calcium storage.
Rough ER has ribosome attached and making it involved in protein synthesis and modification.
This is the cell's control center, like the principal's office in a school. It contains all genetic information, DNA, needed to run the cell.
Nucleolus. This is the region inside the nucleus, kind of like study room in the principal's office. Its main job is to make ribosomes, which are essential for building protein.
The mitochondrion is the powerhouse of the cell. It generates energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, through cellular respiration.
A central vacuole is a storage bubble found in the cell. It can hold water, nutrients, and waste products. In plant cell, there's usually one larger vacuole that helps maintain cell structure and storage water. Think of it as a cell storage container.
The cytoskeleton is like the cell's scaffolding or framework. It's a network of protein fibers that helps the cell maintain its shape, move around, and transport things within the cell. Think of it as a cell's internal support system.
The Golgi apparatus is like a cell packaging and shipping center. It takes proteins and lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum, modifies them, sort them, and packages them into vesicles to be sent to the other parts of the cell or outside of it.
Ribosomes are like tiny construction workers in a cell. Their job is to build proteins by linking amino acids together based on instructions from RNA. They can be found floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum.